Hello and welcome to today's guided meditation session. This serene journey is designed to help you find a sense of calm, to guide you into a state of mindfulness and relaxation. We invite you to step into this tranquil space, to let go of the world outside for a moment and focus on the world within. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or taking your first step into this practice, this session is for you. We're here to explore the art of meditation, a simple and effective tool that can enhance your well-being, reduce stress, and cultivate inner peace. So let's begin. Find a spot that feels comfortable and quiet, a place where you can be undisturbed for the duration of this session. It could be a cozy corner of your room, a peaceful garden, or any space that allows you to feel relaxed and at ease. Now settle into this space and prepare to embark on this inward journey. Find a comfortable and quiet space and prepare to begin. To start, sit comfortably in a chair or on the floor. Rest your hands gently on your lap and let your eyelids fall shut. This is your time, a moment just for you, so let's make the most of it. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel the cool air fill your lungs, expanding your chest and belly. Hold that breath for a moment, letting your body absorb the oxygen it craves. Now gently release that breath through your mouth, feeling the warm air flow out, carrying away any tension or stress. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, savoring the sensation of the breath entering your body. Hold it, letting the stillness envelop you. Exhale slowly, releasing not just the air but also any worries or negative thoughts that might be lingering. As you continue this cycle of deep, intentional breaths, allow your body to relax. Feel the muscles in your shoulders unclench, the tension in your neck melt away, the tightness in your jaw loosen. Imagine each exhalation is a wave of relaxation washing over your body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Now let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Don't force it or try to control it. Just observe it. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils. There's a simple beauty in the act of breathing, a rhythm that's been with you since the moment you were born. Let the rhythm of your breath anchor you in this moment. When thoughts arise, acknowledge them, but then let them go, returning your focus to your breath. Remember, you're not trying to empty your mind or stop your thoughts, you're simply learning to not get swept away by them. Breathing is a bridge between your mind and body, a way to anchor yourself in the present moment. So let your breath be your guide, your anchor, your reminder that you are here now. Focus on the breath for a moment. As you continue to breathe, allow your mind to let go of any thoughts. Let your breath be the anchor that keeps you present in this very moment. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, like the ebb and flow of the ocean's tides. Be aware of its comforting cycle, the inhalation that brings oxygen to your body and the exhalation that expels waste, tension, and stress. Now, let's deepen this focus. Imagine your breath as a golden light, originating from your core, glowing brighter with each inhale and gently dimming with each exhale. This light is your life force, your essence. It's the energy that connects you to the universe and to your inner self. As you immerse yourself in this visualization, you might notice thoughts trying to distract you. That's completely normal. Our minds are thought factories, continuously generating a stream of consciousness. But remember, you are not your thoughts, you're the observer, and you have the power to choose where you direct your focus. When you notice a thought emerging, don't judge it or try to push it away. Instead, acknowledge it and then let it pass, like a cloud drifting across the sky. Return your focus to your breath, to the golden light. This is the essence of mindfulness, the ability to be fully present, fully engaged in the here and now. As you continue this practice, you'll find that your mind becomes more peaceful, more serene. It's like a pond that becomes still when left undisturbed. You'll start to experience a deep sense of calm and clarity, a state where you're simply being, not doing, not thinking, just being in this moment with your breath. Now, let's return to the rhythm of your breath. Feel the cool air entering your nose, filling your lungs, and the warm air leaving your body. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Stay with this sensation a little longer, anchoring yourself in the present. Inhale, exhale. Now, Let's bring awareness to different parts of your body. Imagine a warm, comforting light at the crown of your head. This light represents your awareness, your focus. As we progress, this light will travel down, illuminating your body bit by bit as you relax each part. Feel this light warming the top of your head, relaxing the muscles. Now let it drift down to your forehead, smoothing out any furrows. Feel it descend to your eyes, easing the tiny muscles there. Allow it to flow down your cheeks, releasing any tension. Let this light of awareness glide down your neck and cascade over your shoulders, melting away any strain. Feel it trickle down your arms all the way to your fingertips. Imagine this warm energy imbuing your chest and back with a sense of tranquility, and then flowing into your abdomen, soothing your center of gravity. Now visualize this light descending further, relaxing your hips and then your thighs. Feel it permeating your knees, then your calves and finally your ankles. Let this warm, comforting light fill your feet all the way to the tips of your toes. By now, your entire body should be bathed in this warm light of awareness. Feel how every muscle, every cell is relaxed and at peace. You are grounding yourself in this moment, connecting with your body in a profound, intimate way. This is the beauty of meditation, the ability to be completely present, completely in tune with your own being. You may notice areas of your body that still hold tension. That's perfectly okay. Send your focus, your light, to these areas. Picture the tension as ice, and your awareness as a warm sun, gently but persistently melting it away. Now, take a moment to bask in this feeling of complete relaxation. Breathe in deeply, and as you breathe out, imagine any residual tension being exhaled and disappearing into the ether. Feel the tension melting away. As you focus on your breath and relaxed body, let's introduce a positive affirmation. This affirmation is a simple yet powerful statement that can help to instill a sense of peace and calm within you. Let's use the phrase, "I am in harmony with myself and the world around me." Now, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, silently repeat this affirmation to yourself. I am in harmony with myself and the world around me. Allow each word to echo in your mind, filling you with a sense of tranquility and balance. Feel this affirmation seeping into your consciousness, embedding itself within your thoughts. Let the affirmation flow with your breath, intertwining with each inhalation and exhalation. I am in harmony with myself and the world around me. Let it be your anchor, guiding you towards a state of inner peace and serenity. Allow this affirmation to resonate within you. Now visualize a peaceful place in your mind. Perhaps it's a serene beach with gentle waves lapping at the shore, or a quiet forest, its canopy alive with the whispers of the wind. Maybe it's a tranquil mountaintop, the world spread out below you in a tapestry of colors. Wherever this place is, transport yourself there. Immerse yourself in the sights, the sounds, the sensations. Feel the sun warming your skin, the breeze rustling your hair. Hear the melody of nature's symphony, the rustle of leaves, the song of birds, the murmur of a nearby stream. This is your sanctuary, your haven of tranquility. As you dwell in this peaceful place, let your mind be still. Let any lingering thoughts or worries drift away, like clouds in the sky. You are here, you are now, you are at peace. Take a moment to transition back to the present. Open your eyes when you're ready, bringing with you the serenity of your peaceful place. Congratulations! You've completed a guided meditation. Take a moment to bask in the serenity that now envelops you. This tranquility, this inner calm you're experiencing, it's a testament to your mindfulness. Each breath you've taken, each beat of your heart has led you to this moment of peace and clarity. And remember, this sense of well-being is not fleeting. It's always within your reach, nestled within each mindful breath you take. The power of meditation is cumulative. It grows and strengthens with each session, so make it a part of your daily routine. Let it be your sanctuary amidst the hustle and bustle of life. Let it be your guide to a calmer, more centered existence. If you found value in this session, consider subscribing. We have a trove of guided meditations and mindfulness content waiting for you to explore. Embark on this journey with us, delve deeper into the realm of inner peace. Until next time, be well.